Y para lo único que vengo de vuelta, Mass Effect gehiagorekin, eta ez da Andromeda, oraindik Via Láctean gaude, vale? Baina, bueno, hemendik hasten da Andromedako moda guztia. Hemen utzi denuen, espero dut gustuko izatea zue, porque jarraian nabil grabatzen, gogo askorekin dagoelako rarako historia bat eramateko. Eta, bueno, jarraitu behar dugu. Zaren Nailuz akatu egin zuen mendiko dugu, Nailuz. Pobre Nailuz. Bihotzan deko dugu, Nailuz. Eta joan bargara asmatxea zer gertatu zen hemen. Eskopeta aterako dut. Nahiago dut eskopeta, neko. Asko zer... Epa, da, frankoteo da riflea. La pistola. Hau, asko zer hobeto doa. Esan da, asko zer hobeto doa gezen kontra. Bai, goratzen naiz honetaz. Hau zen, honekin, hau da, empujar. Hau da, alzar. ¿Kaidan? ¿Kaidan akatu dute? ¿Me estás contando? Vale, chen. ¡Asli! Va, llega a ver, ezin dugu ezer egin, Ya está, jodituta gaude. Vale, deskargatu behar du, eske makina hauek akatzeko behar ditugu kideen habilitateak. Falla crítico, que tengo una última partida guardada. Tengo un guardador rápido justo ahora, si eran. La rifle A. La pistola. Toda la escopeta, venga. Hostia. Ole. Hau, eta... hau. Eta da beste erabat hori lehertzen. Hor dator. Hau. Vale, ondo, listo. Opara dicho vato. ¡Agur, ¡Algo pasa! Hostia, cabetate cabego de dos hostias. Vale. Onda. Onda, onda. Gavilando. Control saltón activar. Venga. Joder, con los locomotora moderno. Cargando. Baino eto. Hemen Saren. Uste dut akatzen dugu.
Charges. Destroy the entire colony. Leave no evidence that we were here.
Saren oso txarra da. Eta ikusten duzunez, Grezak berari... Oh, bomba bat, jarri dute. Madre mía. Hori joan beharko gara, bomba hori gaurtzera. Osea, desaltu altxera, baia.
Demolition charges. The Geth must have planted them.
Hurry!
Lau
We need
daude.
to find them all and shut them down.
Bueno, ya. Esto me da tiroquín. Hostia, babesa, que la de Dios. ¿Pero qué os creéis? Putas. Venga, estas desactivatzen. Baigo du nivelas. ¿Qué eres tú?
I've lost shields.
Shields disabled.
Hemen beste bat. Eta bakarra falta zaiguia da. Venga, bat gutxago.
Shields disabled.
Txain, honetareko erabiliko dugu beto. Ole! Hala, venga. Cárselo con todo. Atenta que tengo bomba.
All clear, Commander.
Listo.
Smells like smoke and death.
Muy muerte.
It used to be beautiful here.
Vale. Orain helburua. Da, horra, vale. La estación de carga. Da hemen bestaldean. Guazen! Goizik astola bidean, jarri nezan metze. Ui, erratu naiz. Baren du, bestaldetik. Eskaldu, goizik astola bidean, jarri nezan metzetan, Euskal Herri euskaldun batekin, eta ulertut. Vale, sarkatu behar dugu bestaldera. Ez dakit nola. Hortik. Hor, justo. Gezak dauden tokitek, argi eta garbi. Ah, justo hor amaieran eskerretara, sigur, sigur. Ikuste? Nebe esan dudana. hor dago baliza. Zarenek kapaz izan da aktibatzeko eta gube kapaz izango gara, Ya sabes. Vamos a ver, daña los escudos. Vale.
That's it. Bag him and tag him.
Quedarse con todo. Eta baliza. Zarenek kapaz izan da aktibatzeko eta Shepardek be kapaz izango da aktibatzeko. Orain ikusiko duzue.
Normandy, the beacon is secure.
This is
Request
amazing.
immediate
Actual working Prothean technology. Unbelievable.
It wasn't doing anything like that when they dug it up. Something must have activated it.
Roger, Normandy. Standing by.
Ojo. Bera ezin du. Zagata! Fuera! Eta egin hor doa Shepard. Shepardek bai aktibatzen du.
No, don't touch it. Too dangerous.
Informazio! Oh! Apurtu egin da. Oi, nabe hori, txabal. Zakixo zein arriskutsua dan. Zarenen nabea da, egia esan da,
We
Ala,
identified
la
the
tetona.
ship that touched down on Eden Prime. The Normandy, a human alliance vessel. It was under the command of Captain Anderson. They managed to save the colony.
And the beacon.
One of the humans may have used it.
Beste asari bat duztu zola.
Must be eliminated.
Must be, o sea, obligación.
Dr. Chakwas, I think he's waking up.
Ai, buruko mina! Se jaqueca.
You had us worried there, Shepard. How are you feeling?
Nah, estoy bien.
Minor throbbing. Nothing serious. How long was I out?
About 15 hours. Something happened down there with the beacon, I think.
It's my fault. I must have triggered some kind of security field when I approached it. You had to push me out of the way.
Nah, no te culpes.
You had no way to know what would happen.
Actually, we don't even know if that's what set it off. Unfortunately, we'll never get the chance to find out.
The beacon exploded. A system overload, maybe. The blast knocked you cold. The lieutenant and I carried you back here to the ship.
Hasta la nave.
I appreciate it.
Physically, you're fine. But I detected some unusual brain activity. Abnormal beta waves. I also noticed an increase in your rapid eye movement. Signs typically associated with intense dreaming.
Vale, oraintxe jarraitzen dugu, segundu bat. Estaba soñando más en pesadillas. Zango dugu hori, bai, momentuz bai.
I saw...
Morted.
I'm not sure what I saw. Death? Destruction? Nothing's really clear.
I better add this to my report. It may... Oh, Captain Anderson.
How's our XO holding up, Doctor?
Well, all the readings look normal. I'd say the commander's going to be fine.
Glad to hear it. Shepard, I need to speak with you. In private.
Ok.
Aye, aye, Captain. I'll be in the mess if you need me.
Sounds like that beacon hit you pretty hard, Commander.
Te di uno.
You sure you're okay?
I don't like soldiers dying under my command.
Jenkins wasn't your fault. You did a good job, Shepard.
Vale. Ezin digo esan o sea, lo de los Geth no debió pasar.
Intel dropped the ball, sir. We had no idea what we were walking into down there. That's why things went to hell.
The Geth haven't been outside the Veil in 2 centuries, Commander. Nobody could have predicted this.
No, librería da.
You said you needed to see me in private, Captain?
I won't lie to you, Shepard. Things look bad. Nihilus is dead. The beacon was destroyed and Geth are invading. The Council's going to want answers.
Si quieres ver al diablo, no tenemos nada que ocultar.
I didn't do anything wrong, Captain. Hopefully the Council can see that.
I'll stand behind you and your report, Shepard. You're a damned hero in my books. That's not why I'm here. It's Saren, that other Turian. Saren's a Spectre, one of the best, a living legend. But if he's working with the Geth, it means he's gone rogue. A rogue Spectre's trouble. Saren's dangerous, and he hates humans.
Hombre, ba, eurortu ezakete gizakia aurro zitzea, bale? Ez gustuko ez izatea, baina balizaren atxean zegoen.
Prime because he hates humans.
You're right. Saren has allied himself with the Geth. I don't know how. I don't know why. But it had something to do with that beacon. You were there just before that beacon self-destructed. Did you see anything? Any clue that might tell us what Saren was after?
Tuve una visión.
Just before I lost consciousness, I had some kind of vision.
A vision? A vision of what?
Una guerra que se avecina.
I saw synthetics. Geth, maybe. Slaughtering people. Butchering them.
We need to report this to the Council, Shepard.
Eta zer esango diego.
What are we gonna tell him? I had a bad dream?
We don't know what information was stored in that beacon. Lost Prothean technology, blueprints for some ancient weapon of mass destruction, whatever it was. Saren took it. But I know Saren. I know his reputation is politics. He believes humans are a blight on the galaxy. This attack was an act of war. He has the secrets from the beacon. He has an army of Geth at his command, and he won't stop until he's wiped humanity from the face of the galaxy.
Lo detendré.
I'll find some way to take him down.
Noski.
It's not that easy. He's a Spectre. He can go anywhere, do almost anything. That's why we need the Council on our side.
Vaya
We
jona.
prove Saren's gone rogue, and the Council will revoke his Spectre status.
I'll contact the ambassador and see if he can get us an audience with the Council. He'll want to see us as soon as we reach the Citadel. We should be getting close. Head up to the bridge and tell Joker to bring us into dock.
Vale. Kontatzen zarete zer nolako movida dagoen erditik, ezta? Gethak, Saren, Consejoa, Ashley. En fin, movida asko dago erditik. Movida. Hemenik ez da. Joker, lleva no osoa. Kaixo. Ezin du, sajon bat momentuz ezin dugu, ez digute orain ikusten libre.
timing, Commander. I was just about to bring us into the Citadel. See that taxpayer money at work.
Contribuyentes. Qué bueno. Bueno, raguas. Ahora viendo un salto A. Se publica en Normandía, ¿eh? Oh, sordo ciudadela. Pedazo de nave, chaval. Tower era proteano en tecnología, ciudadela.
Look at the size of that ship.
The Ascension, flagship of the Citadel fleet.
Well, size isn't everything.
Ah,
Why
te lo
so
dado.
touchy, Joker?
I'm just saying you need firepower, too.
Look at that monster. Its main gun could rip through the barriers in any ship in the Alliance fleet.
Good thing it's on our side then.
Citadel Control, this is SSV Normandy, requesting permission to land.
Stand by for clearance, Normandy. Clearance granted. You may begin your approach. Transferring you to an Alliance operator.
Roger, Alliance Tower, Normandy out.
Hola.
Normandy, this is Alliance Tower. Please proceed to Dock 422.
Victoria, eso tengo. ¿Has visto ese bolita, tío? No va. Siempre te todo de la ciudadela de la...
This is an
Una ciudad
outrage.
más.
The Council would step in if the Geth attacked a Turian colony?
The Turians don't found colonies on the borders of the Terminus systems, Ambassador.
Humanity was well aware of the risks when you went into the Traverse.
What about Saren? You can't just ignore a rogue Spectre. I demand action.
You don't get to make demands of the Council, Ambassador.
National Security is investigating your charges against Saren. We will discuss the CSEC findings at the hearing, not before.
Captain Anderson, I see you brought half your crew with you.
Just the ground team from Eden Prime, in case you had any questions.
I have the mission reports. I assume they're accurate?
They are. Sounds like you convinced the Council to give us an audience.
They were not happy about it. Saren's their top agent. They don't like him being accused of treason.
Saren's a threat to every human colony out there. He needs to be stopped. The Council has to listen to us.
Settle down, Commander. You've already done more than enough to jeopardize your candidacy for the Spectres. The mission on Eden Prime was a chance to prove you could get the job done. Instead, Nihilus ended up dead and the beacon was destroyed.
That's Saren's fault, not his.
Then we better hope the CSEC investigation turns up evidence to support our accusations. Otherwise, the Council might use this as an excuse to keep you out of the Spectres. Come with me, Captain. I want to go over a few things before the hearing. Shepard, you and the others can meet us at the Citadel Tower, top level. I'll make sure you have clearance to get in.
Ay.
And that's why I hate politicians.
Bueno, el embajador de AOE es Andes, que es un puto pringao de los buenos, o sea... Pero de los buenos. Tengo dificultad de comenzar anulación manual. A ver, Ole. Primera patrulla de la alianza... Bueno, otra pizcada de historia y ya zuek investigatuko duzu. Gugu ez gara asko paratuko. La ciudadela. Zenista la embajada. Asari bat. Avina.
Greetings and welcome to the Presidium. My name is Avina, and I am pleased to be your virtual guide throughout this level of the Citadel space station.
¿El es real?
So are you a person or a program?
I am a fully interactive virtual intelligence, programmed to provide spontaneous guidance at predetermined locations of interest throughout this level of the Citadel. I may also be contacted through any of the Presidium VI terminals, should you require assistance.
Suena interesante.
You are standing at Presidium Tourism Terminal 1. On either side of this lobby are the embassies of the various Citadel races, along with CSEC headquarters. On the far end of this level, you can see the Citadel Tower, where the Council meets regularly to discuss matters of interstellar importance.
Kontatzen zaien hori esan digun, lehenik eta behin interesantena.
Goodbye, and thank you for using Avina. Please enjoy your visit to the Citadel.
La Pitrans. Venga, ya le he dado porque total. El lugar del Presidium. Venga, guazen ala, torre de Ciudadela. Norbaiteko taxi antxeko batzuk dira, esken finean. Erosotasuna. Turianoa. Ejecutó el pallín.
Saren's hiding something.
Oh, Garrus!
Give me more time. Stall them.
Stall the council? Don't be ridiculous. Your investigation is over, Garrus.
Garrus.
Commander Shepard, Garrus Vakarian. I was the officer in charge of the CSEC investigation into Saren.
Sounds like you really want to bring him down.
I don't trust him. Something about him rubs me the wrong way. But he's a Spectre. Everything he touches is classified. I can't find any hard evidence.
I think the Council's ready for us, Commander.
Good luck, Shepard. Maybe they'll listen to you.
Garrus, zuke etorriko zara nirekin. Vamos a pasar grandes aventuras tú y yo juntos. Maitasun asko. Garrus beti bihotzean.
Don't be ridiculous. The Volus won't be joining the Council for years.
I'm not so sure. The humans are making a strong push, and you can bet the Volus will be right.
Bueno, eta gaur horrela ikusiko, bueno, ez dut asko azari bat. Kapitan Anderson.
The hearing's already started. Come on.
Oazen. Oraindik gaude pizkat. Ez tutorialean, baina komenen ez ziren.
Matter of some concern, but there is nothing to indicate Saren was involved in any way.
The investigation by Citadel Security turned up no evidence to support your charge of treason.
An eyewitness saw him kill Nihilus in cold blood.
We've read the Eden Prime reports, Ambassador. The testimony of one traumatized dock worker is hardly compelling proof.
I resent these accusations. Nihilus was a fellow Spectre and a friend.
That just let you catch him off guard.
Captain Anderson, you always seem to be involved when humanity makes false charges against me.
Huh.
And this must be your protege, Commander Shepard. The one who let the beacon get destroyed.
The mission to Eden Prime was top secret. The only way you could know about the beacon was if you were there.
With Nihilus gone, his files passed on to me. I read the Eden Prime report. I was unimpressed. But what can you expect from a human?
Saren despises humanity. That's why he attacked Eden Prime.
Your species needs to learn its place, Shepard. You're not
Dauka
ready to join
Christ.
the Council. You're not even ready to join the Spectres.
He has no right to say that. That's not his decision.
Shepard's admission into the Spectres is not the purpose of this meeting.
This meeting has no purpose. The humans are wasting your time, Counselor. And mine.
Hola, Senator. No tiene sentido. Hori da Saren esan duena, bale, los humanos. Naharitzen duzen nola, zein ondo nabaritzen den, segutsi duen gustoko Sarenek gizakiak. Pedazo de cabrón arrogante, deja de protegerlo. Deja de protegerlo. Contaré las...
Can't hide behind the Council forever.
There is still one outstanding issue. Commander Shepard's vision. It may have been triggered by the beacon.
Are we allowing dreams into evidence now? How can I defend my innocence against this kind of testimony?
I agree. Our judgment must be based on facts and evidence, not wild imaginings and reckless speculation.
Do you have anything else to add, Commander Shepard?
You've made your decision. I won't waste my breath.
The Council has found no evidence of any connection between Saren and the Geth. Ambassador, your petition to have him disbarred from the Spectres is denied.
I'm glad to see justice was served.
Coitado alagoa.
This meeting is adjourned.
It was a mistake bringing you into that hearing, Captain. You and Saren have too much history. It made the Council question our motives.
I know Saren. He's working with the Geth for one reason. To exterminate the entire human race. Every colony we have is at risk. Every world we control is in danger. Even Earth isn't safe.
We need to deal with Saren ourselves.
As a Spectre, he's virtually untouchable. We need to find some way to expose him.
What about Garrus, that CSEC investigator? We saw him arguing with the Executor.
That's right. He was asking for more time to finish his report. Seems like he was close to finding something on Saren.
Podría ser útil.
Any idea where we could find him?
I have a contact in CSEC who can help us track Garrus down. His name is Harkin.
Forget it. They suspended Harkin last month, drinking on the job. I won't waste my time with that loser.
You won't have to. I don't want the Council using your past history with Saren as an excuse to ignore anything we turn up. Shepard will handle this.
You can't just cut Captain Anderson out of this investigation.
The Ambassador's right. I need to step aside.
I need to take care of some business. Captain, meet me in my office later.
Vale. O sea,
Harkin's probably getting drunk at Cora's Den. It's a dingy little club in the lower section of the wards.
¿alguna pista más?
Maybe there's another way to find evidence against Saren.
You should talk to Barla Vaughn over in the financial district. Rumor has it he's an agent for the Shadow Broker.
The Shadow Broker?
An information dealer. Buys and sells secrets to the highest bidder. I've heard Barla Vaughn's one of the top representatives. He might know something about Saren, but his information won't come cheap.
Vale, ez gara sartuko bere bizitzan Saren eta bestarekin, baina, bueno.
I should go.
Good luck, Shepard. I'll be over in the Ambassador's office if you need anything else.
Baina, bueno, argi dago oso zer izan zutela, lagunok izan zilera eta bar, eta bar. Venga. Bagoazen.
That guy's up to something.
What guy?
The one over by the Keeper.
A ver.
What? Oh, no, I wasn't. Never mind. Yes, is there something you want?
Sí, es
Why
esto.
are you so interested in the Keepers?
Keepers? I've got no interest in the keep...
Don't get coy. I know what I saw.
I'm not so sure I should be talking to you about this.
We're just talking. Is there something wrong with that?
No. I guess it wouldn't hurt to tell you. I'm using a small scanner to gather readings on the Keepers. So far I've had mixed results. I find it difficult to get near the creatures.
Why were you being so secretive about it, though?
Well, technically we're not supposed to disturb the Keepers. I don't really think my scanning disturbs them, but the authorities might disagree. I'd like to do it more openly, but it's not really worth getting arrested over.
I could help you out. I'm not worried about the authorities.
I don't even know who you are.
Sí, de la Alianza.
I'm Commander Shepard, with the Alliance military.
Well, I suppose I could use the help. You'll need this. It's the scanning device I developed. Activate it each time you see a Keeper. All collected data will automatically upload to my database. I'll even send a few credits your way for each unique scan.
Ah, vale.
I should get going then.
Yes, I have much work myself. So long, and good luck with the scanning.
En fin, vete, aprovecha todo luego. El lugar de expresión, distritos, Antlo Chora. Venga, tiene que también carros en Villa Juan Vergara, hombre. Hostia. Ondo hasten gara gauza, Turiano pare bat hemen. Ondo hasten da gauza. Vale, zergatik guaz eskopeta batek nate. Oh, mira la Sasari. Oh. En fin. Oh. Krogan bat.
Back off, Rex. Fist told us to take you down if you showed up. What are you waiting for? I'm standing right here.
No.
This is Fist's only chance. If he's smart, he'll take it. He's not coming out, Rex. End of story. This story is just beginning. Out of my way, humans. I have nothing to do with you.
What was that all about?
Who knows? Let's just try not to get caught in the middle.
Ya te digo, Krogan batzuekin erditik.
The back rooms are private, reserved for Fist and his friends.
Who's Fist?
He owns this club, but the customers have to stay out front.
What did that other Krogan want? Rex?
Personal matter.
Not real chatty, is he?
Goodbye.
Enjoy the club.
Oye, palma una de cerveza romulana. Venga, sartu gala. Igual, suposatzen dut igual. Bengo baten batekin itxen beharko dugula. Pasatu gara, como si nada, eta kontoratu gabe. Harkin.
Alliance military. I could have been a Marine, you know. Instead, I joined the goddamn Citadel security. Biggest mistake of my life.
Harkin, right? I was told you could help me find someone. A Turian CSEC officer named Garrus.
Garrus? You must be one of Captain Anderson's crew. Poor bastard, still trying to bring Saren down, eh? I know where Garrus is. You gotta tell me something first. Did the captain let you in on his big secret?
No es mi asunto.
I just need to know where Garrus is.
But it's all related, don't you see? The captain used to be a Spectre. Didn't know that, did you? It was all very hush-hush. The first human ever given that honor. And then he blew it. Screwed up his mission so bad they kicked him out. Of course, he blames Saren. Says the Turians set him up.
No.
Why'd they kick him out?
Have to ask him. I never heard any of the details. Bet it's a good story, though. The heroes fall. Classic tragedy.
Just tell me where Garrus went.
Garrus was sniffing around Dr. Michelle's office. She runs the med clinic on the other side of the wards. Last I heard, he was going back there.
Vale.
I'm out of here.
Yeah, good. Go. Let me drink in peace.
Logika dauka, enkabratuta egotea kapitaina Sarenekin horregatik. Eta ziur.
Maybe it's not true. Harkin's an ass. Bet he's just messing with our heads.
Nah. Teleport. Embajadas, Torre de Ciudadela. Distritos. Centro médico. Logika dauka, eta nik lortzen dut zergatik kapitaina bai, hemen barruan da. Ez dutan neukan. Señor ikusten den zuela.
I didn't tell anyone, I swear.
That was smart, Doc. Now if Garrus comes around, you stay smart. Keep your mouth shut or we'll... Who are you? Let her go.
Oh!
Hostile spotted.
Pero bueno. Voló la cabeza. Granada. Catapum. Joder, se me ha tardado detendo, ven.
Perfect timing, Shepard. Gave me a clear shot at that bastard.
No hay problema.
Dr. Michelle, are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. Thanks to you. All of you.
I know those men threatened you, but if you tell us who they work for, we can protect you.
They work for Feast. They wanted to shut me up, keep me from telling Garrus about the Quarian.
¿La Aquariana? ¿La Aquariana?
A few days ago, a Quarian came by my office. She'd been shot, but she wouldn't tell me who did it. I could tell she was scared, probably on the run. She asked me about the Shadow Broker. She wanted to trade information in exchange for a safe place to hide.
No, te escucho.
I put her in contact with Fist. He's an agent for the Shadow Broker.
Not anymore. Now he works for Saren. And the Shadow Broker isn't too happy about it.
Fist betrayed the Shadow Broker? That's stupid even for him. Saren must have made him quite the offer.
That Quarian must have something Saren wants. Something worth crossing the Shadow Broker to get.
What else can you tell me about the Quarian?
I'm not sure. Like I said, she wanted to trade information for a place to hide. She didn't... Wait a minute. Geth. Her information had something to do with the Geth.
She must be able to link Saren to the Geth. There is no way the Council can ignore this.
Tenemos que encontrarla.
This is your show, Shepard. But I want to bring Saren down as much as you do. I'm coming with you.
¿Por qué odias tanto a Saren?
Why do you want to bring him down?
I couldn't find the proof I needed in my investigation, but I knew what was really going on. Saren is a traitor to the Council and a disgrace to my people.
Welcome aboard, Garrus.
You know, we aren't the only ones going after Fist. The Shadow Broker hired a Krogan bounty hunter named Rex to take him out.
Yeah, we saw him in the bar.
Ah, podría servirnos.
Krogan might come in handy.
Last I heard, he was at the C-Sec Academy.
What's he doing there?
Fist accused him of making threats. We brought Rex in for a little talk. If you hurry, you can catch him at the Academy before he leaves.
Move out.
Vale, cargando. Joango gara Garrusekin. Eta... kaidan adibidez, bai. Aceptar. Ba, bueno, hemendik utziko dugu lagunok, espero dut gustoko izatea, nire asko gustatzen izet. Gustoko baduzuet, bak izan duzuen, zein du, eta hurrengo arte, agur.